Here, as you can see, we're given a line and we're going to be asked to find the y-intercept for the line and then the x-intercept for this line. And the process for doing this is going to be really simple. If we basically just draw a quick sketch here, we're going to be looking to find where the line crosses the y-axis. So let's say that was up here. And then secondly, where it crosses the x-axis. That could be down here somewhere. And so the thing to keep in mind is that wherever the line crosses the y-axis, that means that x is going to be equal to 0. So that line is basically, that point is basically going to look like 0 comma some y value. So we're just going to say y1. And then for the x-intercept, the same logic applies, except it's going to be some point or some coordinate x and then comma 0 for the y value. So that's basically what we're going to be looking for here, is 2 points like this for this line. And the process is actually really simple. For the y-intercept, it's even simpler because you can see we're given our line in the form y is equal to mx plus c. And this c here, our c in this case is going to be minus 6. This c is actually the y-intercept. And the reason for this is if we test this out, so we're looking for y and we need to set x is equal to 0. So using our line from the question, we're going to have 2x, so we're going to have 2 times 0, and then we're going to have minus 6. And so you can see here, our y is actually going to be equal to just minus 6, because 2 times 0 is going to be 0. And so we can actually read that straight from the line we're given in the question. So that's going to be our y-intercept is the point, or the coordinate minus 6, I should say. So that means that the full coordinate is just going to be 0 comma minus 6. And it is important to write actually the full point rather than just the y value, just to be, make sure you get all your marks. And then so that's going to be it for part A. And then part B, basically follow a very similar process, except instead of letting the x value equal to 0 in our little line formula from the question, we're just going to be basically setting the y value equal to 0. So we have 0 on the left hand side and we've got 2x here, so we leave x in and our minus 6 stays in as well. And so now our process is basically just to get x on one side, and so we can keep 2x on one side and then add across by 6. So we're going to get 2x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 over 2, which is going to be equal to 3. So that's going to be our x coordinate for this. And so our actual x-intercept is going to be the point 3 comma 0. So that's basically going to be what we're looking for here, is the actual point. And so now we found our y-intercept and our x-intercept, and so that's going to be it for this one.